Hi everyone and welcome back. This is Nika Nadia. We are continuing the Intro to Belly Dance series today and we will be practicing chest circles. So find your posture. Feet are a small hip distance apart. Knees are softly bent. Lower back is lengthened. Lower belly is lifted. Chest is open. Let's begin by taking our chest and isolating it side to side. Back and forth. Good. So your hips are staying still and your rib cage is shifting. You'll feel a stretch through your torso, through your obliques. And I'd like you to practice keeping your head in the middle. So as opposed to letting your head go with side to side, allow your head to stay in the center. Chest shifts back and forth, back and forth. Now let's practice moving our chest forward, opening, and a little bit of contracting, back, forward, back, forward, back, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, and back, forward, and back, forward, and back. And now let's put them together. We take our chest, let's shift it first to our left, bring it straight forward, to the right, back, to the side, front, right, and back, to the left, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, and back. Good. Now I want you to smooth this out. So hitting all four corners like you're drawing a circle that's orbiting around your body. Keep your head in the middle. Sometimes the head will want to go with, but keep your head in the center as much as you can, allowing the chest to orbit side, forward, side, and back, around, 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 around. Good. Keep going. And a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And rest. Take a big breath. And let's go for the other direction now. So we're going to go side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, and back. We have right, forward, left, back, and right, forward, left, back, and a right, forward, left, back, and a right, forward, left, and back. Now smooth it out. Going around, around. So the shoulders are not doing much. Okay, we're not going to move the shoulders around with it. Rather, keep the shoulders still and just this rib cage is orbiting around, drawing a circle. Breathing, feeling lifted up and grounded at the same time. Baby bend to those knees, a lengthening and a circling. Around, 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 around. One side will definitely be easier than the other, one direction than the other. Around, around, and a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And rest. Take a big breath. Let's put them together, going back and forth, different directions. So Starting to our right, we're going to go 2, 1 and 2. Stop in the front and let's go to the left. 1, 2. Stop with the chest in the front. And a 1, 2 in front. 1, 2. To the right. For 2 to the left. For 2. Head stays middle. For 2 and reverse. For 2 and a 1. 2 step 1. 2 step 1. 2 step 1. 2 step 1. 2, 1, 2 and a 1. 2 and a 1. 2. Very nice. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you very soon.